high-level delegation led by Colonel General Alexander V. Fomin, Deputy Defense Minister of the Russian Federation, called on Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmad Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, at Air Headquarters, Islamabad today. The meeting remained focused on bolstering military cooperation and industrial collaboration between the two sides, while exploring new avenues to fortify existing ties through joint military exercises and technical support for PF equipment, emphasizing a commitment to regional security and stability. During the meeting, Chief of the Air Staff highlighted contours of Pakistan Air Force's journey of transforming into a next-generation Air Force through induction of state-of-the-art weapon systems and niche technologies. He also reaffirmed the PF's commitment to achieving self-reliance in defense capabilities through a comprehensive indigenization strategy. The Air Chief expressed a deep desire to strengthen military ties with Russia, focusing on collaborative training programs, joint military drills, and industrial collaboration. Colonel General Alexander V. Fomin commended the recent impressive advancements in Pakistan Air Force under the current leadership. The Russian Deputy Defense Minister reiterated his resolve to play his role in further consolidating the existing collaborative defense partnership with Pakistan through military-to-military cooperation and technical support for PF equipment. The meeting between Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, and the Deputy Defense Minister of the Russian Federation is a significant milestone in Pakistan-Russia defense relations, wherein both nations are poised to deepen their military ties through industrial collaboration, joint military exercises, and comprehensive support mechanisms.